You ever been scrolling YouTube and see those thumbnails that say, I can't make these fast enough, and cringe a little? Yeah, me too. But hold that thought, because there's something there. So I watched a whole bunch of those I can't build these fast enough videos, expecting to come in here and tell you the reasons why you should skip them. But then I learned something really valuable that I want to share with you in this short video. So if you're new to woodworking, and a lot of people that watch my channel are, there's real gold in those thumbnails of, I can't make these fast enough. Now, of course, you got to get past the cringy thumbnail, but that's part of the algorithmically required shenanigans that we all have to play by, because let's face it, the algorithm picks what video you watch, not you. So anyway, let's assume we can get past those cringy titles. What's the gold that's in them? Well, it's pretty simple actually. If you're just starting out with woodworking and you're looking to make something, or you're thinking about making something, and oftentimes getting started is the hardest part. These videos are the perfect recipe for that because they're usually affordable. They're made with one board that comes from a big box store. They don't require plans necessarily. You can get through them pretty quickly, and they're usually fairly simple builds. And what you're looking for as a new woodworker is not building a jewelry box or a solid cherry blanket chest. You're looking to get your first project done and in the bag. These videos are actually really a good source for that. So I would encourage you, if this fits you, go to YouTube, search for I can't make these fast enough, and you'll find a few channels that come up that have these, and watch some videos. Ignore the cringy thumbnails. Those cringy thumbnails exist because the algorithm likes cringy thumbnails, not because we like cringy thumbnails. So I hope you found this helpful. Super short video, but I thought it was important to get it out there because I was kind of surprised when I started watching some of these videos at really what you could pull out of them that I think is useful. So till next time, friends, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.